What's up, you guys? So, believe it or not, I have never in my life made egg whites. So today, the first thing I'm doing when I wake up, because I'm doing things healthier this year, as you can see, is I'm gonna make me some egg whites. So I'm attempting to separate the yolks. This thing did not really work how I thought it was gonna work. So maybe we'll try and do it like this, making egg whites. How about making a mess? All right, there's our yolk. So cooking the egg whites, we're trying to be a little bit healthier. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of avocado oil and not too much because we also got a non-stick pan. Get that oil moved around, make sure it coats the entire bottom of your pan. Add in our egg whites. Get you one of these and give it a little scrape around the edges. Then make sure it's not stuck to the bottom. Give it a little tilt. Get some of those uncooked egg whites out around the edge. Make sure it's not stuck to the bottom. All right, now it looks nice and firm. Grab your handle and give it a flip. Now you want to grab that blue top. That's the new Dano's seasoning. We're gonna give it a sprinkle. Then you're gonna come in with the black top. That's the crunchy. Then grab it and throw it on your plate. And now it's time to enjoy. The seasoning and the crunchy on eggs is phenomenal. Yum, yum, get you some. You can thank me later. We'll see you next time. Keep sprinkling. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm, mmm.